Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 37 of the 2023 CW Collage hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. And these are crossword prompts. It's a crossword collage, and we are to just use a crossword, write whatever we want to, and decorate however we want to. So I hope everybody's doing great. Without further ado, let's get started. Well, I am ready for spring, and so that's what I'm going with. I'm going to go ahead and put down my crossword. Let me kind of lay it out. I've got that. These images came from the Digital Collage Club, which is Make and Create, I think now, or Making and Creating, something like that. So I'm kind of trying to figure out how I want these. It is raining very hard today. I think it's slacked off right now, but we went from 70s to back down to 30s and averaging 40 right now. It was cool yesterday and it's supposed to be cool today, but we're supposed to have a milder weekend. Okay. I like that. Maybe something like that. Something like that. Now I've already put down my paper. I just used some scraps that I have left over from a previous project, and I inked my crossword, but I haven't inked anything else. So let's get this all laid down. I have enjoyed my book, still reading it. I've been so tired I haven't got to read too much in there, but it's been good. And let's see what else has been going on. Not a whole lot. Finally got my tea cake recipe up. My husband was off yesterday, and I don't get as much done. It's not his fault, it's mine. I like to spend the time with him, so I just don't get as much done. We binge watch Bones, and we finished, I can't remember what season we were on, but it's the one where Booth had the brain tumor, and so we're on the next season. I think we've gotten one episode into it. We've enjoyed it. Still watching The Killing, although I haven't had much chance the last few days. Been busy cleaning house. That's always a chore. Cooking. I don't know why my family feels like they have to eat every single day. Okay. Everything is inked. So let's see where to go now. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel, Nellie and Ruth Designs. She's so talented, and I enjoy her friendship. She's a great encourager. Let's see, just want them touching just a little bit. I do want that kind of turned a little bit. And then I can just go ahead and lay everything else down. Turn it over and glue it, and then lay it down. Okay, this is an easy one, but it is, we have the decorative ornamental pear trees. Oh, they're blooming and they're beautiful. Been seeing a few dogwood out in the woods. I love when the dogwood and the redbud trees bloom. Beautiful. I hope we don't get too much more cold weather to kill the blossoms. But I've enjoyed the warmer weather. I just don't do so well with the cold weather anymore. My blood's too thin, I guess. Okay. There we go. Said this goes quick. Ready for spring. Now let's see. Of course, I'm going to do some gold splatters. It's become an ongoing joke with some of my YouTube friends. But I do love them. And I love these vintage images. And of course, I'll go with a little bit of black. Just something about that black just sets it off to me. Gives that little bit of grunge. All right. I feel bad that these are always so short, but you got beautiful images. It doesn't take long. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel again. And check out the hashtag 2023 CW Collage to see what everyone else has made. I love y'all. Y'all have a wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.